As I did not wish to use the factory mirrors on the truck, the original holes in the doors were welded shut and new mounting holes were located and drilled for new mirrors. The mirrors I selected were bow tie logo mirrors originally used on 1966 to 72 Chevrolet automobiles. The door latches were installed before the truck went to the body shop the first time, so that the doors could be adjusted for proper closing. Now it was time to install the door regulator that controls the latch. The outer door handles and lock cylinder were installed along with the proper seals. The window regulators were then installed and lubricated. I found the regulators had a bit more play in them than I wished, so I replaced both regulators with new ones. The metal rear window track was attached inside the door. The window was then attached to the regulator and situated inside the rear window track. The vent window assemblies were then installed in each door. The rear window channel was then installed. This was the most difficult portion of reloading the door. The old window whiskers were in very poor shape. The mounting surfaces inside the door were straightened before the doors were sent to the body shop. The whiskers were added to the door. The inner door panels and seals were added. Mounting holes were located and drilled in the door panels. Then the armrests were installed. The armrests are from a 1955 Chevy. New door handles and window cranks were installed along with the necessary washers and seals.